What are some challenges you faced while bringing this piece to life?
The challenges that come to mind for me would be just dealing with the elements, dealing with the outdoors. That is always a huge challenge with public art, especially something that is going to be up for nearly a year. You have to consider all of the weather elements, wind, rain. This is a site that floods on a regular basis, like almost nightly. It floods. I guess that was a challenge. So what I did was, rather than work against the conditions of the site, I chose to work with those conditions, and I just kind of observed the site over time and watched how the water would rise when the tide came in, and also how these sandbags would appear on the site. And I just decided, like, there's no reason why these sandbags can't be a part of the artwork to bring context to the work.